Ukrainian wheelbarrow manufacturer that can easily compete with European representatives. DETEX Wheelbarrow Factory is a company that has been manufacturing modern construction and gardening wheelbarrows for more than 3 years. Quality, service, and fast delivery are the 3 main values of the company, and satisfied customers, according to the owner of DETEX, is one of the best business success indicators.
Moving forward, you improve your skills, you improve your company's skills, you become a greater person, a greater entrepreneur. It's like you are a believer, and that's what moves you forward, yeah.
The full-scale Russian invasion of Ukraine has also affected the DETEX wheelbarrow factory. The war forced the company's employees to change their work, but at the same time motivated them not to stop supporting the Ukrainian armed forces.
The worst challenge is the loss of the consumer demand in Ukraine, the immigration of the people abroad. It's hard to accept, and there is no much things you can do actually to overwhelm it. One of the biggest challenges that we still still feel is the deficit of working capital.
The DETEX wheelbarrow factory continues to support the Ukrainian economy every day because it sincerely believes in our victory. High-quality goods from the Ukrainian manufacturer deserve to be all over the world.